And here we go, guys. This would be one heck of a combination to try and keep clean based on what it is towing. It is a Peterbilt 389 triaxle tractor with a 70-inch sleeper pulling a Mack 3-axle square bottom coal dump trailer, and it is in all white. Talk about a fun truck to keep clean. It is first gear DCP item number 60-1245. And there it is, out of the package. Came in the standard DCP by First Gear box, and it has the two-piece clamshell with extra, mirrors in it. And it also came with a white fifth wheel plate cover. So you can have it as a nice show truck. Really nice piece. And here we go. We'll start off with the Mack coal dump in-dump trailer. It is in all white. We have the DOT striping down the side, and we have little marker lights all the way down the side in amber, and then we got a red one back here. Got the Mack Trailers logo right there, and then really nice white. Really sharp. Underneath, you can see the bottom of the trailer is painted in silver. And then the frame is painted in silver as well. So the bottom is silver, the top sides are white. Good luck keeping that clean hauling coal. Underneath, we have screw down type landing gear. It does raise and lower, as you can see right here. So the pistons do work. We have mud flaps hanging in front that have the Mack logo. We have another mud flap down here that has the Mack logo. We also got some brake lights tampoed in red on the front side. Really cool. Triaxle configuration with none of them lifted, but it does have the working spring suspension, soft rubber tires, 10-hole chrome wheels. On the back, you can see it has the Mack branded mud flaps behind the wheels, and then a big center one there. Lots of brake lights tampoed there, DOT lights, Mack logo and Mack logo there. The little coal dump door, it does open and it closes, and the door does actually swing up. Doesn't swing, it swings that way. So it can dump. Really, really nice. Now you can see the one problem with dump trucks and dump trailers is when you raise them, the mud flap rubs right on that rear tire because it's so close to the back to begin with. And yeah, it does that. Not a big deal, but oh well. You've got some little climbing bars there so you can climb up and look inside. Roof bows are wire pieces folded over so that it holds that tarp. The tarp does fold in place. You could roll it up and put it into there if you really wanted to. Pain in the butt, but you can do it. And then over on the passenger side, the hooks where the tarp rolls into are actually painted in white this time. Usually they leave them silver, but they're painted white here. The rest of the markings on this side are exactly the same. And then to the front, you see the marker lights. These little pieces that stick out here cover the front axles, and then they have little Mack branded mud flaps hanging there. Little front fenders to cover the wheels. Pretty cool. Mack does that. And then you have the Mack logo right there. This one, they put a big black bar around it, whereas they didn't on the rest. They put a big black square. Kind of neat. And then, of course, it'll sit flat or it will be raised up. Another thing, it does have the low mount turn signal right there. And here is the Peterbilt that goes with that Mack in-dump trailer. It is a 379 with a 70-inch stand-up sleeper on it. It's set up as a triaxle in matching white. It's got white bands around the fuel tank and white end caps on each fuel tank, chrome steps, and white air tank above it. They added this little hot stamped right here to make it look like there's chrome, added lights, chrome and lights there and across the bottom of the sleeper. It has the Unibelt logo right there, and door handles, all the details are tampoed around. They've got the rivet detail molded in, which to me actually looks a little bit overdone, but it's the same we've been used to. Chrome 10-hole wheels. It's got single hump fenders. They're the stainless, but they painted them white, and they are individual pieces. Underneath, got the yellow engine, so they've got this made it up to a cat. Transmission bottom detail, the exhaust, drive shaft. It comes here. No differential on the front axle. It's set up with duals instead of singles. It's also got tandem drives in the rear, and then the drive shafts, air brake canisters, and all the information underneath that you need. It has up top, you can see there's the opening hood, engine detail, turbo piping, turbocharger, all the detail we're used to. Interior has a black steering wheel, black seats, gray dashboard, very classic of Peterbilt. And then we've got, instead of the chrome grille and chrome shroud around the headlights here, we have it all painted in white. Individual jewel style headlights with the little yellow orange paint so that have amber lenses. Peterbilt logo tampoed there as it is on the side of the hoods, and the big drop Texas bumper on the front. Then we've got a nice white painted visor, chrome mirrors, and chrome air horns. The air breathers are chrome plated, and then they painted them white, leaving the chrome bands and the chrome caps. Really nice job. Chrome straight stacks, cut flat and tampoed with a little bit of black on top so they look hollow, but they're not. We have the little door mirror, the little door window here, which is really cool, and then the same other details. Towards the back, we have no brake lights, but we do have little mud flaps with diamond weights tampoed on at the bottom of the back fender. But they did not tampo the brake lights. We do have tampos of brake lights up there, and then grab bars, pogo stick, white fifth wheel instead of chrome or black. All in all, they made a really nice looking truck, and it goes well with this trailer. Now let's go on and hook them both up. And there it is, the Peterbilt 389 triaxle with a 70-inch stand-up sleeper pulling a triaxle Mack square bottom coal dump trailer. It is a framed design, and it does raise and lower. This is a beautiful matched white set, but I'll bet you it'd be real fun to keep this baby clean down on the coal mines picking up coal.